One unique quality of the 1-inch API is it does not accept requests from an internet browser. This is because any website that integrates 1-inch like this would be exposing the API key for malicious users to take and use independently. To get around this, a proxy must be used for all requests. Luckily, with a tool like Vercel, setting up a proxy only takes a couple minutes. Let's take a look at how to do that now. This is a GitHub repo linked in our documentation that can quickly be deployed to the cloud hosting service Vercel. It will provide a cloud endpoint for all of your 1-inch API requests. Once this proxy receives the API requests, it will attach the authorization header for you and send the request to the 1-inch API. The response will come back just as if there was no proxy at all. So let's quickly set this up. The first thing mentioned in the README is the Vercel account. I already have mine, so I'm not going to make a new account, but that's pretty self-explanatory. Just make sure to choose the hobby tier because this whole process will be free. Once you have a free account, you're going to create your project. And here you're going to click Import Third-Party Git Repository. You will go back to this GitHub repo, paste it in here, and click Continue. It will be on this section of the UI once it's imported, and then you can click Import to add it to your project. I'm going to leave these all defaults, add test, and deploy. It says congratulations, and we can continue to dashboard. Now we're going to click on Settings, Environment Variables, and here we're going to put API auth token and paste in our developer portal key. Click Save, and we can see it added right here. At the bottom, you'll see a notification that we need to deploy again, but we will do that at the end once all the setup is complete. And the last thing we need to do is go to Deployment Protection and disable Vercel authentication. Save, and now we can redeploy. And now if we go back to our project tab, we will see under Domains our new URL that will handle all requests to the 1-inch API. And now to prove it's all working, we have a simple gas price call. But instead of going to api.1inch.dev, we replace that with our Vercel proxy address. Hit enter, and we get the JSON response body for gas information. So this now shows the proxy API endpoint handling the requests, adding on the authorization header, and returning the response just as if you were talking to the 1-inch API directly.